been amazing. 2 years. I think I don't regret a single bit of it at all. If there's a moment that you feel like, oh, I should have done this differently, I don't think there's any feeling as such. I've always enjoyed it, and I think I'll always continue to be like, okay, this was an important part of my journey. And
Hi Nandini, finally the smile. Huh? Loads of hard work, 2 years of hard work. बहुत मेहनत किया. I think I wouldn't be wrong if I have to evaluate only on the terms of hard work. You would have topped the center, and I think everybody would agree to this. यहाँ पे तो we have a very transparent system. So how does it feel? Does it feel कि सब हो गया? All the hard work has paid off well, right? So I think Nandini, it's a very well deserved success. So Nandini has got a rank of 150 in CLAT, and she possibly will be heading to Nalsar, Hyderabad.
I'm Nandini Yadav. I got a rank 150 in CLAT this year. I study at Convent of Jesus Mary. I'm going to pass out soon. But before this, I was in Kenya and I studied at ISK there. And now I'm here and I'm finishing, and then I'll be possibly heading to Nalsar.
Yeah. So Nalsar is there. Best case possible can be Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay. Now Nandini, so you are from which school?
I'm from Convent of Jesus Mary.
That's in Delhi.
Delhi, yeah,
Right.
Delhi.
Okay, great. So I think there are a couple of schools by the similar name, or this is the only?
No, there are a couple of schools by.
So you are from the Delhi one.
Yes, from the Delhi one.
So Nandini, कोई ऐसा position आया था जब वो burnout वाला phase आया हो कि मुझे लग रहा है कि now that I'm done with, now I cannot proceed further?
I think I was lucky. I never got to truly experience. There was always a couple of days, ek din where I felt like, okay, I don't want to study anymore. I just want to maybe relax a little bit, watch a movie. But apart from that, I never experienced like this huge long period where I felt like, no, I don't want to do CLAT anymore. Like I gave up. I was lucky enough that I didn't feel that way ever. And I think it was because, again, consistency. It was not like Achanak se I studied for 12 hours a day. It was never ever like that. I studied for 2 hours a day maybe, and sometimes I studied for maybe 5 hours a day. So there was no time limit as such. So you just continue working, and then every time it started to get boring, something new would be added. So if the mock analysis started to get boring, then okay, maybe I'll switch to something else. Newspaper classes started after a while. So when things keep on getting added, like they were being added, and NPLC, something new always was happening every single week. It never really got boring as such, and I never felt that experience, that burnout phase. I never truly experienced that.
So this is only a myth that you are very serious from 11th, then you get burnt out.
Yeah.
It's just the state of mind.
State of mind, yeah.
Yes, it is actually state of mind. People don't realize कि आपका दिमाग नहीं थका है, आपको ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि आप थक गए हो, right? So eventually हमेशा वो charge up वाला position होना चाहिए. Okay, Nandini, which subject out of 5 troubled you the most?
I think most it was always juggling between maths and logical. Depending on each mock, it varied differently. Sometimes maths would go well, sometimes it would go horribly. Sometimes logical would go well, sometimes it would go horribly. So between these two sections, those two were always my worst sections. When you keep on doing the same thing again and again, because once you do it in a newspaper, then you do it in a target, so it just comes with you. And then, like I said, I think the most important part for me was enjoying all of it. So I enjoyed all of it, and somewhere along the way, it just worked out in my favor to some extent. So keep on memorizing, keep on remembering. It all seemed fun. It never ever felt like, oh, I have to do this. It never ever felt like I was like, oh, I have to do this. Okay, let's do it. And in that case. Yeah.
How many mocks did you write?
Almost all of them.
No, numbers?
Number around 190-ish. I think I left maybe a couple, but
almost 200 mocks.
Almost 200 mocks.
Okay, I was listening to so many interviews. I think nobody has written more than 70.
To 70, yeah.
So basically, I think you were prepared for everything, whatever, जैसा भी paper आता. So I think उसके लिए तुम ready थे. And Nandini, how did mock? I remember you participating very actively in mock analysis. So did you enjoy those sessions? What was the factor कि mock analysis में तुम इतना actively participate करते थे हमेशा?
I think from the very beginning, you had always emphasized mock analysis are the most important part of any person's journey, because CLAT is not about remembering stuff. It's also about fixing your mistake, finding your weakness, and then improving on that mistake. So therefore, I felt like mock analysis is the most important part, and it felt fun. It always the entire NPLC, the entire time I've been at NPLC, it always felt fun. It never felt like, oh, I'm studying for an exam. Okay, it's this far away. It always felt fun. So mock analysis, you go there, you argue out your points, you have fun, and then you make a couple of jokes along the way. You get to know each other well, and then you also get to figure out where I'm going wrong and where the other person's line of thought is coming from, and then you fix your line of thought, and then you improve yourself.
Maths ka to you told that you had an issue with maths. What did you do?
Maths, in the sense, it was an issue when I was able to solve certain topics I wasn't able to solve. I've never been bad at maths, but I've never been good at maths. So either I used to do the DPPs, or otherwise I used to work on either the books that we've been given. So a couple of books here and there, you work on them. Specific topic wise, I used to work on it.
How happy are your parents?
They're very happy. Yeah.
They're satisfied?
Yeah, very satisfied. Great. It's been, like I said, it's been amazing. 2 years. I think I don't regret a single bit of it at all. If there's a moment that you feel like, oh, I should have done this differently, I don't think there's any feeling as such. I've always enjoyed it, and I think I'll always continue to be like, okay, this was an important part of my journey. And
so, any stone unturned, अगर तुमको rewind करना पड़े, अपना 1.5 or 2 years of preparation, would you want to change anything in that?
I think it's been good. I think whatever's meant to happen did happen the way it was supposed to happen. If there's a couple of things I would have changed, maybe just continue working at the same pace, because I worked hard and really hard in 11th, and then 12th it sort of slowed down maybe a little bit. I wished if I kept the same intensity along the way, and mock analysis again sort of improved myself a little bit more in mock analysis. I think that's about it.
Okay, great. I think you are a super hard-working girl. You're not a hard-working girl, you're super hard-working girl. I remember Mahesh sir calling me, asking how is she doing. I told this one person I can actually vouch. Sir, होता है उसका होना ही. I told कि तुम बोल दियो तो होना. I knew this is gonna happen. I didn't know कि तुम्हारा कहाँ होगा, but होना तो. I knew कि you'll be sitting सामने में and I would be saying कि congratulations.
Very good, yeah. I think all of the people that I studied with was close friends with. We were competitive, but we pushed each other a lot. I think heavily we were like, okay, this person I need to get here. He's my friend, but at the same time, he's also my competitor. And at that same way, you sort of keep that, you keep pushing each other, keep on doing it. And all of us in the end, we all turn out pretty great. We're all going to whatever.
Everybody is great, joining. So it's not about कि मेरा हो जाए उसका ना हो जाए. I think your batch was one batch, जो कि actually में everyone promoted everyone,
yes.
Right? And फिर देखा जाएगा जिसका जाओ, and that's how it has worked. मतलब there's so many people who have lined up at like Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Calcutta. They're full of it.
Yes.
I think more than 70% of the center. Okay. Anandi, so always maintain that sincerity. And second, I would suggest, I can tell you, do try for UPSC. In case, of course, it interests you. That is always there, because you are a perfect person for that. See, these exams are very similar to UPSC, right? So these are all mini UPSC type exams. So I think you have that in your entire process. So UPSC likhna zarur, and do not leave the habit of reading newspapers.
Yes, sir.
Isko continue karo, law school mein bhi continue karo, and do go for it, right? And baki, so happy and so proud, Nandini. मतलब इतना मेहनत किया 2 साल के लिए, and I'm sure अभी बहुत अच्छा फील होता होगा. Enjoy these moments.
Thank you.
और बोर्ड्स के लिए पढ़ने का मन हो रहा है?
Sort of, yeah.
नहीं, I'm sure तुम जितनी sincere हो कि तुम बोर्ड्स के लिए भी पढ़ के जाओगी. You might be like, नहीं ठीक है, नहीं I won't, but I know that you will. 2 दिन के बाद से this will sink in, and then you start working for boards. So many congratulations, Nandini. God bless you. Of course, we'll keep connecting more often. Keep visiting to the center, and then we'll meet again. Right? Okay. Good wishes. Good wishes, Nandini. Bye bye.